to decide what's been a scintillating quarter-final.
He needed that, a ton wasn't enough.
Brilliant last leg. It all comes down to this.
Top starts. Don't go outside like Luke Littler did with the last one. Better board management.
Humphries for the win. Wow. First chance either player's had for a broken throw. He's blown it.
He didn't throw that well at all, that double fort. Is it going to be punished to the hill? Is Price going to win?
Wow, what a finale to a fantastic match. They both had darts to win it. It was a friend, it wasn't a foe. When it comes down to one leg of darts, it comes down to